Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Galaxy AI feature of Transcript Assist in the voice recorder application on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series to transform recordings into text transcripts and summaries which you can review and also translate them to another language. This is going to work across all three Samsung Galaxy S24 models, which includes the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the S24 Plus, and the base model of the Samsung Galaxy S24. First things first, go into Settings, Advanced Features, Advanced Intelligence, Voice Recorder. Here it is. This is Transcript Assist. Go into Transcription Language, and this is your default language, which you can always change. Then go into Summaries, make sure that the toggle is enabled. Next up, if you want multiple language packs, go into language packs for transcription and translate. Here it is. These are the different language packs which are available. The ones on top are installed, the ones on the bottom are available to download. All you need to do is tap on the arrow beside it to download these language packs. So let us go ahead and open the voice recorder application on our Samsung Galaxy S24, and then let us start a new recording. Also, let me try to change my voice a little and show you a cool feature. Hey, how are you? I am good, how are you? I am also good. How's life? Life's been going on, nothing much. Yeah, kinda same here. How's the weather out there? It's a bright sunny day today. How about you? Well, it's cloudy, raining, cold over here. Well, that's not good news, but it is what it is. Alright, so we have our voice recording, right? Let us go into this specific recording and you will see the option of transcribe. Once I do that, you can select your language. So we had our voice recording in English. We're going to make sure English is selected, select transcribe, and there it is, Galaxy AI working in the background, and bam, here it is. But the cool feature is it recognized two different speakers having a conversation. So two different people were having a conversation, as you can see by the labels over here, speaker 1 and speaker 2. Now you can also get a summary of this voice message which we have, again Galaxy AI working, and it is telling us that the two speakers were having a casual conversation about whether they exchanged greetings about each other's well-being, discussed the weather conditions, acknowledging the unpleasant weather, and expressed understanding. Then if you want to translate this, you have this option of translate right besides the search icon. Select on that and you can choose to translate either your transcript or your summary from English to whatever language pack you have downloaded. Let us say we want it translated to Hindi. Select that, Hindi, bam, here it is. This is our translation in Hindi right below the English transcript. Similarly, if you go into summary, it will also be translated from English to Hindi. So, and there it is, peeps. That is how you use the great Galaxy AI feature of Transcript Assist in the Samsung Recorder application on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series.